The use of this number line is going to be similar to the last activity in that it is not used for counting on, such as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. We want to develop the idea of a mental number line, and we start with the middle. So halfway between 10 and 20 is 15. If we know 15, we know the number that is 1 after 15 is 16. And by starting at 15, when I eventually get to activity 4, which is the number before, I will learn that the number that comes 1 before 15 is 14. Similarly, by starting at 20, the number that is 1 less than 20 is 19. From starting at 10, we can see without counting 11, 12 is 2 more, and 13 is 3 more. We can see up to 3 without counting. And this leaves 17 and 18 as the two difficult ones to learn. For the second activity, we're going to be using the number line and trying to identify them without counting. I'm going to go first. I flick the spinner and I try to identify that without counting. I think it's here. Karis is going to place the block on to check. Yes, I placed it as 14, and I'll write that down as my score. Now Karis has her turn.
I think it's here.
And I will check her. You're correct. And then she won because she made the greater number, so she can circle. If you were incorrect, such as can you pick a number that's close? If you thought 16 was there, when I put it on, you would just move your finger and say
16.
Yeah, well done. Now it's your turn.